Driving school on Bedford Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. All right, this has been with Pierre Driving School. Just did a lesson in this area here. Student requested we do a lesson here for them. That's easy. Okay, making a left turn at this intersection here, as always. It's a tight straight. We're gonna do everything I have to apply. Mirror left, shoulder left, no traffic coming on my block. I'm going through here with the turn. Okay, nice and smooth. I see the human here. Driving school on Bedford Avenue. All right. Speed bump. Nice and smooth here. All right, good. We're going straight across. Stop sign coming up. Full stop. 2 mandatory stop. First one is for humans. To the left, to the right, no humans. Second is for traffic. All the way at the center of this crosswalk. Traffic only to the left, no traffic coming. Continue to go. Two-way, coming up to a two-way road. At the traffic light, we're making a left turn. Traffic is more than 10. I got more than enough room to make my turn with no rush. Okay, with no rush. Beautiful here. Mirror left, shoulder left, and go with the turn and fall right into my lane. Double park car, signal left, mirror left, shoulder left, going around. Okay, then I'm gonna come back in my lane, signal right, mirror right, shoulder right, going and back round. For the purpose of the road test, guys, it's tedious, but whatever you do, contrary from going straight, anything that deviates you from going straight, you must signal all of your attention. Okay, folks? Right turn here at the light. When the light is clear, we're gonna signal, we're already signaling, we're gonna check mirror right, shoulder right, and go through with the turn. All right, driving school on Bedford Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. I can see this is Bedford Avenue. Just did the less than light turn green, but it's not green for us yet. It's for the hands, people that walking. There's a delay here, okay? Mirror right, shoulder right to make the turn. Okay, nobody crossing. I do my verification, I'm good to go. Continue with my turn. All right, fall right into my lane and keep it going from here. All right, gonna make a stop where we can see this stop sign. We're not in the way of anybody. Good, good, good. Paying attention both direction as we're driving. Driving school on Bedford Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. Covering few left and right for you guys here. If you guys want any video you want me to do in particular, put in the comment below. I'll be more than happy to do so. Like, share, and subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you can subscribe so each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. If you're in the New York area, you want us to help you, check pierredriving.com, or you can, if you're ready, you want to make sure that everything is straight with you, give us check us out for a mark test. Do a mark test to see if your road test ready. Because remember, it's not about driving, it's how they want you to drive to pass the test. The minute you understand that, it changes everything. Okay? We're doing a lesson here on Bedford Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. Making a left turn here. Cross traffic as the right away, and looking at the cross traffic and the light. Either one that clear first, we take the turn. See the big truck here, I'm letting it go for the purpose of the road test, but in real life, I could have been on my way. Okay? Mirror left, shoulder left, make the turn. No acceleration, coming back nice and smooth. Both hands on the steering wheel. As the car going along, pay attention to all traffics, okay? Just been here with Pierre Driving School, doing a driving lesson here on Bedford Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. All right. Coming up to a traffic light. When we stop, we like to see the tire of the car in front of us. without leaving room for anybody to fit in. I see a bus on my right side, on my left side, signal to my right, see the human as well. When you're going on double park car, you cover your brake to come slow. And the event that anybody doing this stupidity, you're on the brake, not on the accelerator. If you're on the accelerator, you get nervous. Oftentimes what you're gonna do, you're gonna accelerate, and that is problem. Okay? Yep, this is driving lesson here on Bedford Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. Cover the brake here. Good. Like, share, and subscribe. Any question, put in the comment below. All right? You have Pierre Driving School, nervous student, beginner student, advanced student. We also do highway lessons as well. If you do need some highway lesson, however, we also cover those lessons as well, so you can make sure that you brush up with your skills. And if you have your license, you have not yet been driving, do take a lesson here and there to make sure that you're keeping up with your skills, because once you buy your car, that's not when you want to start learning again, because you've already got too much liability going on. It'll be best for you to always keep your sharpness here and there. As I'm driving, I'm paying attention with everything, okay? And even any stupidity that I can be sharp to come to a stop. Remember, it's not about driving, it's how they want you to drive to pass the test. The minute you understand that, it changes everything. Although after a pass the test, that's when the real lesson start. But at the bare minimum, we want to be good enough for when you go for our road test, so we can pass with flying colors. I thought I know how to drive already until it come to my understanding. It's not about driving, it's how they want you to drive to pass the test. I ended up taking my test 3 times. The first time I thought it was okay because I've never been driven in this country. I'm gonna go in the second time and do better. The second time I felt worse than the first time. The third time, that's when I finally passed. That's when it comes to my understanding. It's not about driving, it's how they want you to drive. The minute that you understand that, you will deliver to the liking, and passing your road test is one appointment away. Here at Pierre Driving School, we definitely can help you and put you on the list of all those our successful students that take their road test and pass with us on the first try. You can be the one too. And whatever the location you're in New York City, we do pick up in the area. Check our website, pierrepauldraiving.com, to see how Pierre Driving School can help you get in your license. A driver license, it's a privilege that can enhance your life one way or another. You may not have to do driving for a living, but at some shape or form, your license will help you from going places more easy as you would if you were taking public transportation. It's not a problem with that at all, but it doesn't hurt you to have it as everybody else. Many jobs here in the United States, applying for a job that has nothing to do with driver license, at a bare minimum, they ask you, do you have a driver's license? It's not for no reason. As you guys can see now, driver's license even taking over most of everything, where you can now get your enhanced ID or a real ID that can enable you to make more destination without even a legal passport. So you already see which direction they are going with this, you know what I mean? And the longer you take, the harder it gets. Let Pierre Driving School help you here with your license here if you're in the New York area. Any families and friends that can benefit from these videos, please share it with them so you can even help them better themselves, okay? Whenever you're driving, you always want to keep your 2 hands hooked to the extremity at 10-2, and the event that you have to signaling, whatever the case may be, you do not have to take your hand off of the steering wheel. As I'm coming to a stop sign here, I'm gonna make a single stop where everybody can see everybody, because I already see the always stop sign. Okay, single stop here where everybody can see everybody. I'll do all my verification. I'm here first, keeping it moving. See how much I'm verifying? Keeping it moving, nothing extra. Not a roll up stop sign, not 2 mandatory stop. You need to approach your stop respectively to the way you're supposed to approach it. Anything contrary to that, for the road test, we have to do the road test over again. All right, speed bump, slow down to go over that, nice and smooth, keeping it going from there. You see? Okay. Covering the brake, paying attention on all directions thereof. Okay, going in nice and smooth. All right, folks, one way straight, we keep in the middle. We're not keeping up drifting to the left and to the right, because we cannot be drifting as you do in your road test, all right? Unable to keep straight is going to be a problem. I see the human on the left, pay attention to that, all right? Paying attention to everything. There's a lot of attention to be paying as you're driving. You always stop sign here. We're going to make this stop, okay, where everybody can see everybody. Who's here first? We are keeping it moving, keeping it moving. I'm still paying attention here sometimes here in Brooklyn, people are crazy. Even although they know that you have the right of way, they still try to sneak in and get you in trouble, thinking that they still can get away. Especially when they see you have a student driver, they feel like you're late, you're slow, they want to take over. Nevertheless, it's not about right away. You do what's best at that moment, because in the end, we want it to be as safe as possible. Anything you want us to do in particular, please feel free to put it in the comment below. We will gladly answer that. Pierre Driving School here, we're located in the Brooklyn area, in the metropolitan area. Anywhere that you want us to help you, let us know. Check out our website, pierrepauldraiving.com. My question to you, if you've already done your road test, where did you do your road test and how many times did you pass? I think my 3 times. How many times did you do yours? You probably passed it on the first try or on the second try. Whatever it may be, share with us your road test experience and where did you do it, all right? Because I'm always curious to know how many times those people doing their road test and how did it go, or if there are any hit tips you can share with our viewer, we can share with our student, so they can learn from that in case that they go into the road test, they encounter the same thing you did, that can be a learning experience for them, all right? Folks, here, this has been again with Pierre Driving School. Until then, keep practicing. Take care now. Bye-bye.